If your pool came with a ground cloth, spread it out over your selected location. Spread out the pool, ensuring it is centered on the ground cloth. Make sure your filter pump can be plugged directly into a power port. Warning: do not plug your filter into an extension cord. This is a fire hazard that can lead to property damage. Make sure the drain valve is securely fastened. To prevent water from escaping when filling the pool, insert the stopper plugs into the inlet and outlet valves. The following information is intended for pools equipped with high-volume water filters. From inside the pool, insert the strainer into the pool's valve. Connect the nut and tighten. Connect the valve body. Now inflate the top ring of the pool. You will notice in this example we are using a Bestway Sidewinder pump, a handy tool that quickly inflates all inflatables. With the top ring inflated, close the valve. You can begin to fill your pool. Once there is some water in the pool, get in and smooth out the liner. Work from the center outward. This is very important and must be done to ensure the pool fills properly. It's that easy. With the pool filled, it's time to splash and play. To drain your pool, attach your garden hose to the provided adapter. Place the other end of the hose in a drain area. Unscrew the drain valve cover and screw the adapter into the valve. This opens the valve and releases the water. If the top ring is damaged, use one of the provided repair patches. Smooth out the patch and remove the air bubbles. If the pool is damaged, use the provided repair patch. Apply the glue and smooth out the patch. Note, this patch can also be applied when the pool is filled with water. At the end of the season, it is important to completely clean and dry your pool and other components before storage. Store the pool in a warm, dry place. All of these steps will ensure your Bestway pool has a long life. For customers with pool packages containing Bestway pool accessories and a filter pump, continue to the next section.